3 editors, 1 clip, 12 days, no mercy. In this challenge, 3 editors get the exact same raw footage, same sounds, same music pack, no pre-made assets. But here's the twist. They have 12 full days to create their master.
Wow! Beautiful!
Let's meet our competitors. The first editor is Daddy Zapix, a pure editor with great edits. He is one of premium editors. He used Blur on this challenge. And the second editor, and the best editor you all seen, I mean me. 3, Nova Slash, the king of masterpiece. He edits that like Tyson is gay.
What?
So, lock in. Here are the rules. Rule 1, all 3 editors receive the same raw clip, no exceptions. Rule 2, they have 12 days to edit, no outside help. Rule 3, daily progress posts are required, miss a day and lose 1 voting point. Rule 4, the audience decides the winner, every like and comment counts, so the first edit is going to be from Zapix. Let's see. And second edit is from Nova Slash.
Do not underestimate.
And the third one, and finally me.
Do not underestimate.
Am not going to judge here. We have a guest here. He comes, the best editor and king of Node, Video Black Xenios.
First and second are really close, but I'll give first place to Zapix with a rating of 5.5 out of 10, and second place to Nova Slash with a rating 5 out of 10, and last place goes to Lazy with a rating of 4 out of 10.
Okay, so now the first place goes to Zapix, second to the Nova Slash, and the loser won me. Subscribe to be in my next video.